We are pioneers for making computing very small in size. We went for CRISIL SME rating typically because we are a growing company. We need to communicate to our customers and also our financial partners the credibility of our companies. And to do that communication, we needed some third party to evaluate our working. The rating what we have got has helped us to win some customers and make them feel we are serious in business. I have been using CRISIL SME rating for past 1 year. We already renewed it and I'll keep on renewing it.
We are into manufacture of gas and flame detection systems. We went to CRISIL and CRISIL helped us a lot, and we did the SME rating. Basically the government bankers which provide the loans at a better interest rate than that of cooperative banks or any other multinational banks. They also give 1% better interest rate when you have a SME rating. Second part, the securities which are required for loans or any other facilities like bank guarantees, they are required at minimum levels. Till the rating carries some weight, we will be continuing it.
In 2002, Ramlex became private limited company. We were very weak in commercial matters, but as we started growing, we prominently felt that finance is the one. If you manage it well, then only you can grow. In 2008, we got the CRISIL certification. Getting this rating, we have started negotiating with bankers. In India, mouth of words plays an important role. In that particular period, I saw Ms. Rupa Kudwa giving interview to some channel. When you hear something and you see something somewhere on the media, so you make up your mind, no, we have to go for this. So far as we know, it is useful for bankers. When we get some sort of certificates, so they naturally, they believe in it and they rely on that. I personally feel that the company owners, they should insist on the CRISIL rating. Those who got the CRISIL rating, they should give the weightage to those companies. Every year, I'll go for this CRISIL rating.
Our organization is Sita Polyfoods. Here we are doing the applications of component. We applied our paints on it and supply it to customers. For growing business, we need some financial assist from various organizations. And by market survey, we got a feedback that CRISIL is the best for this. Basically, MNC organizations are audited us thoroughly and also financial strength. But when we produce a CRISIL certificate, they told us we are less bothered about your financial strength. We will renew the CRISIL rating. It will be helpful for us.
Action Solar Equipment was founded in 1997 with the prime objective of developing a new technology for solar selective coating. Basically, CRISIL rating is a stamp of approval on the reputation and on the operation of the company. And with CRISIL rating, what we expect from the bankers, when we go with a loan proposal, the bankers do their own assessment of the accounts. We expect them to give the due weightage to CRISIL's rating to the company. We found that when NSIC had tied up with CRISIL, we have one more reason to choose CRISIL. So today, when we present ourselves, we very proudly say that we are a CRISIL rated company for last 3 years. So we have been renewing CRISIL rating and we intend to continue with it.